Hi friends, welcome back to TR Production. Today I am going to share with you how to make village style prawns curry. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's start the video. You need prawns 500 gram, chili powder 2 teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, curry powder 2 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, black curry powder 2 teaspoon, fenugreek seeds half teaspoon, gazania paste half teaspoon, half cup of coconut milk, half cup of water. To make a paste, you need curry leaves, pandan, cinnamon, green chili, garlic, ginger, onion and mustard seeds. First of all, we have to make the paste. Make this paste thicker. Add curry leaves, pandan, cinnamon, garlic, green chili, ginger, onion and mustard seeds in the blender. You can use above ingredients as required. Now make a thick paste. After that, take a bowl and add coconut oil. Keep it for few minutes until the oil to be heated. Then add the paste. After 5 minutes, add 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 2 teaspoons of black curry powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Then mix it well. Add salt to taste. Again mix it. After few minutes, add prawns. Now mix it well again. Then add half cup of water and close the bowl by using lid. Then leave it for 10 minutes. Now add half teaspoon of gazania paste. After 10 minutes, add half cup of coconut milk and again close the lid and leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, close the cooker and add some moringa leaves. Moringa leaves helps to reduce the body hot. So friends, I hope you like this prawns curry recipe. If you are like, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.